time after time, taking my sin. I take your life 'cause I'm broken. No, I need you now. Deep inside I'm broken. See the way I live, I know your heart is broken. When I turn away, I need to be broken. Take the pain away. Yeah. All the hate deep inside, slowly covering my eyes. All these things I hide away from you again. And all this fear holding me, my heart is cold and I believe nothing's gonna change until I'm broken.
The way to be. Bullshitty.
This is going on Facebook.
It is.
Yes.
Well,
That's a pretty rock.
yeah. And this pavement's pretty.
It's actually pretty warm outside right now.
No, it's not.
It is.
I'm wearing a winter coat and I'm fucking
not.
cold.
My coat.
This pansy.
My coat is over.
Not even that funny. The people in the houses over there probably think we're stupid.
I'm just waiting for like Shane or like some crack shack
Yeah,
boy
waiting for some crack shack boys to
to
walk
like
by
walk
and
by and see us lying on the ground.
look at us and be like, is that crazy bitch from Renfrew back again? Yeah, bitches,
I haven't
I'm back.
left my house in like a year.
Or since the last time I was here. 'Cause
Yeah.
we were gonna go swimming.
And get drunk, but it
then,
didn't work.
but then a bunch of people started showing up, and I didn't want to go swimming. with all
Yeah,
those
I-
pervs
fuck
there.
you, Craig. If you're watching
Yeah,
this,
if
we
you-
wanted to go swimming so badly.
We wanted to go swimming in your pool, but you invited all those pervy McPerv pants.
and I
off.
wasn't about to take my top off with
Yeah.
a bunch of pervs around.
I
Like,
wasn't gonna.
you're hard enough to do that around.
Yeah, you perv.
We love you, Craig.
Kind of.
Ish.
Some days.
On occasion.
Every second day.
Of every second year.
Of every second decade.
Oh, this is cute. I like cupcakes.
The oxes. That ox over there. Oh, there it is. There's an ox. Just kidding, guys. I'm just hallucinating. I'm clearly on shrooms.
Shrooms. Oh, wait, you just said that.
I'm just kidding. We're totally not. Obviously, shrooms make your brain bleed.
Oh.
I'm totally against hard drugs.
What are hard drugs? Oh, wait, never mind.
Anything other than marijuana.
Marijuana.
Marijuana. Dude, we could totally have our own web show. Well,
This is the Melissa and Natasha
if
show.
we actually had something to talk about other than fucking oxes
Do you
that aren't there.
Do you remember the Peter Hunter show when he like jumped off the
Staircase?
staircase?
Yeah.
That's on Facebook. Check it out. Peter Hunter show.
Nobody watched Peter Hunter because Peter Hunter lives in Ottawa now and he doesn't give a shit about anybody in the Renfrew County.
Except for us.
No,
Well, me.
not even me.
I love him. He's my best friend.
Fucking, I stole him from you, bitch.
I know!
That's how we became friends, because I stole her boyfriend. The ox is back. The ox keeps making noise.
The M, no, the N.
I told
in
you the N in McNabb is
Braeside
gone,
is
man.
missing off top of the McNabb Braeside.
I think I'm getting
Station
sick.
3. So if you find that, you should really bring it back.
Please
Ow, you're
report-
on my hair!
Please report the N that is missing on that sign up there.
Oh, we can zoom. Wait.
How do you zoom? Zoom on the N that is missing. I have an N. I think
It's not zoomy. What the okay, well, we're almost out of battery, so this is the Melissa and Natasha show.
Yes.
Say bye!
Bye, oxes.
Bye!
Oxes.
Ox.